eye-catching hall textures, and color combinations. Creating an inviting and dynamic hall space is all about striking the right balance between color and texture. These elements can transform a simple passageway into a stunning visual statement. By focusing on vibrant color splashes against richly textured walls, you can elevate your hall's design and make every entrance memorable. Vibrant color splashes on textured hall walls. Integrating vibrant color splashes on textured walls can transform a hall from a mere functional space into a captivating visual experience. The right textures, such as textured plaster, can add depth and interest, especially when paired with bold, vibrant colors. The interplay of light and shadow across these textured surfaces amplifies the intensity of the colors, making the hall feel dynamic and alive. The application of color in this context must be thoughtful and deliberate. A vibrant palette doesn't necessarily mean every hue must be bold or bright. Instead, select a few key colors that can make a statement without overwhelming the space. These colors can be applied in splashes, such as through accent walls, artworks, or decorative elements. The interplay of natural and artificial lighting is crucial. Natural light can enhance the vibrancy of the colors and the visibility of the textures, while strategic artificial lighting can highlight the textures and colors, maintaining the hall's lively atmosphere. This design strategy transforms the hall into a memorable part of the home's overall aesthetic. By carefully selecting textures and colors, the hall becomes a showcase of creativity and design flair. The strategic use of color and texture can elevate the design of a hall from the mundane to the extraordinary. This exploration underscores the potential of thoughtful interior design to enrich our living environments. Exploring the serene and sophisticated potential of hall spaces, we delve into the realm where soft color palettes meet luxurious textures, creating an environment that exudes elegance and tranquility. This approach emphasizes the harmonious blend of subtlety and color with the depth of texture, crafting spaces that welcome with a whisper rather than a shout. Sophisticated textures and soft color palette for hall elegance. Integrating sophisticated textures with a soft color palette can transform a hall into an oasis of calm and elegance. This design philosophy emphasizes understated beauty, creating an atmosphere that soothes the senses. The choice of textures, such as silk, suede, or fine plaster, plays a pivotal role in achieving this effect. The soft color palette, typically featuring pastel tones, complements these textures, reflecting light and enhancing the feeling of airiness. Soft, diffused lighting accentuates the tactile qualities of the textured surfaces, creating a dynamic interaction between light and texture. Decorative elements, such as minimalistic artworks or sculptures, are selected to blend into the overall design, reinforcing the hall's tranquil and sophisticated ambience. Integrating sophisticated textures with a soft color palette can transform a hall into an oasis of calm and elegance. This design philosophy emphasizes understated beauty and creates a sanctuary from the bustling world outside. The careful selection of colors and textures can turn any hall into a testament to personal style and design sensibility. Whether through bold statements or subtle whispers, this exploration underscores the potential of thoughtful interior design to enrich our living environments. Venturing further into the exploration of color combinations and textures, we encounter a modern approach that marries bold colors with geometric textures. This design philosophy embraces contemporary aesthetics, creating spaces that are not only functional but also visually stimulating and inviting. The incorporation of geometric textures and bold colors in a hall design offers a fresh perspective on how spaces can be transformed into vibrant areas of interaction and enjoyment. Modern hall with geometric textures and bold colors. The modern hall that features geometric textures paired with bold colors is a celebration of contemporary design. This approach is characterized by its daring use of shape and hue, creating a dynamic environment that captivates and energizes. Geometric textures, whether in the form of wall panels, floor tiles, or accent pieces, introduce a sense of order and rhythm to the space. These textures, with their sharp lines and angles, provide a structured backdrop that contrasts beautifully with the bold, vibrant colors chosen to accentuate them. Selecting the right bold colors is crucial in this design scheme. Vibrant blues, greens, reds, or yellows can be used to inject life and energy into the hall. These colors, when applied strategically, can highlight architectural features, define spaces, and create focal points that draw the eye. The key is to balance the boldness of the colors with the geometric precision of the textures, ensuring that the space remains cohesive and harmonious. Lighting plays a pivotal role in enhancing the interplay between geometric textures and bold colors. Directional lighting, whether from ceiling spots or wall-mounted fixtures, can accentuate the textures, casting shadows that add depth and complexity to the space. The colors, under the influence of well-placed lighting, can appear even more vivid and impactful, further elevating the hall's modern aesthetic. Furnishings and decor in this modern hall are chosen to complement the geometric and colorful theme. Sleek, contemporary furniture with clean lines and minimalistic design works well in this setting, as do modern art pieces that echo the hall's geometric patterns and color palette. The overall effect is one of coherence and sophistication, where every element is carefully selected to contribute to the hall's vibrant, modern character. This modern approach to hall design reflects a forward-thinking attitude towards interior design. It demonstrates how traditional spaces can be reimagined to reflect contemporary tastes and lifestyles, making a statement about the occupants' appreciation for modern aesthetics and their desire to create spaces that are both beautiful and functional. The careful selection of colors and textures can turn any hall into a testament to personal style and design sensibility. Whether seeking to create an environment that soothes or stimulates, the thoughtful application of these elements can achieve a wide range of aesthetic and emotional impacts. This journey through different design philosophies highlights the endless possibilities for personalizing spaces, encouraging a creative and imaginative approach to interior design. Thank you for watching this inspiration.